Congratulations! Your purchase of our video marketing ebook is successful. But before we begin, would you like to get faster results with video marketing with this one simple upgrade? We're glad you picked up our ebook. We're sure you're going to enjoy this course and save time and earn more using the simple video marketing tactics you discover inside. Now, understand that the ebook is easy to follow and full of critical information, but there's only so much you could get from reading. You see, many people learn faster by watching something done versus reading about it. In fact, a majority of the population learns better and retains information faster from a video than by reading. So, to help you get results faster, we prepared a special offer that's only available to existing customers. Introducing the video version of the ebook you just purchased. If you want to discover more about video marketing faster and get better results without the hassles of simply learning by reading, then this is for you. Your success is important to us, so just like in the ebook, you get great content and more. You get high-quality, over-the-shoulder videos so you can grab the concepts of simple but effective video marketing quicker and easier. Now, why do you want this video upgrade? Remember when I said that video marketing is easy if you do things correctly? Well, there's no better way of getting the information you need than with instructional videos. This is to make sure you get the highest chance of success possible. Here's some of the valuable information you unlock with this video upgrade. How to pick and make the right video for your product. Where, what, and how to efficiently manage and make use of video hosting sites. Techniques and tips on how to make a proper YouTube channel and brand yourself as an online marketer. The best and easiest way for you to make your videos climb up the ranking ladder and beat clueless marketers. Step-by-step tutorials on how to upload, record, and edit the perfect video. And I'm telling you, there is an exact blueprint for that. What to take note of when making your videos. Every little detail and every single second counts. And more. Yes, this sounds great, but how much? You have to consider, if you get a video marketing coach, you'd have to spend thousands of dollars to improve your business results with video marketing. On the other hand, if you just pay others to do the video marketing for you, you end up paying more, leaving you with less profits. So, your best alternative would be video courses, because it's like having someone teach the necessary tricks to you over the shoulder. But again, courses like this could regularly cost you hundreds of dollars. But not today. For a very limited time, you can access the video training for the low discounted price shown on this page. We've made this as affordable and as easy to follow for you. Remember, you're getting secrets proven to make money for video marketers in the real world. It's your time to use the same secrets to your advantage. Click on the buy button on this page and start today.
In this video, we are going to talk about the big daddy of video marketing, which is YouTube. We'll also see how you can leverage the power of YouTube and how you can position yourself as an online authority who starts getting targeted leads and sales. First, let's talk about the advantages of YouTube. Number one, it is accessible to unlimited pool of targeted leads, as YouTube is the most searched video site today. YouTube is actually the third most searched website in the world, and is the second largest search engine after Google. In the coming years, it is possible to take over the place of Google. So imagine the potential power when you put your videos here and get free traffic and leads to your offer. Next, it is super easy to organize the videos through playlist option, making them more searchable. Another advantage is it's easy to upload, search, and share the videos on YouTube. It is very user-friendly that even young ones can use it easily. Fourth advantage, YouTube advertisement is targeted as well as cheap, making it an obvious advertising choice. Next, with more than 6 billion hours of videos being watched every month, YouTube absolutely dominates the video market. Furthermore, YouTube is the single most important and preferred choice of hosting and sharing videos among internet marketers. It's easy, effective, and free. Your videos are safe and can be accessed around the world. Now, one of the most effective ways of hosting and sharing your videos is via your own YouTube channel. In the chapters ahead, we'll see the exact steps of opening and operating a YouTube channel. YouTube channel helps you brand yourself and organize videos under one roof. It gives you a wide array of free, customizable options like custom thumbnail, subtitles and CC, logo, etc. Another advantage is live channel stats can help you monitor and analyze your channel and video performances. In your screen, you can see my graph and data. This is how you monitor your channel performance. Some people prefer to have several channels for different purposes, like coaching, product launches, and affiliate offers. On the other hand, some marketers just use one channel for everything they do, and that is totally fine. Let's take this YouTube channel for example, and let's go to the analytics. Here you can see how many views you've got, average view duration, number of likes and dislikes, and your top videos. In addition, you can also see the demographical data and the countries where you got the most views. Another important thing that you can see in the analytics is the traffic sources. In this example, our videos are mostly viewed via external sources and YouTube advertising. With these features on YouTube, you can see how your videos are really doing. I'll see you on the next video. In this video, we are going to talk about the structure of your videos. First, you have to capture your audience's attention by stating who you are with a high energy level. Some marketers say, "Hey, hey, hey," in a loud manner, or in my case, I clap my hands strongly. These can draw the attention of your audience immediately to you. The next part is to deliver the content of your video. You tell them what your video is all about. You can also tell the benefit of this video to your audience and then talk about the steps. This is very useful, especially when you are demonstrating a product. The third part is the most important part, which is the call to action. You can tell them to subscribe to your channel, click on a link in the comments section, or click on an annotation. You could send them to your affiliate offer or lead capture page through those links. This is where 90% of marketers lose it, because they have great introduction and content, but there's no call to action. If you don't make your audience do an immediate response, then nothing will happen. You just wasted your effort, and that is the opposite of what you want. Again, you have to have these three parts to be successful in video marketing. See you in the next video. In this first video, we're going to talk about the introduction to video marketing. Let's first define video marketing. It is defined as the use of video contents to educate people, promote an individual, brand, product, or services. Let's take an example here. If you're an online marketer, you could be using video marketing to brand yourself as an expert online marketer. You could drive traffic from all the other marketers who are on the same niche. You could also promote business opportunities from affiliate products to products you own. So, those are the ways to use video marketing as a marketer. Now, let's see the advantages of video marketing. First, if a picture depicts 1,000 words, then a video must portray 1,000,000 words. Second, video marketing is the fastest medium to build your online authority and presence. It is the surest way to position you at the top of targeted prospects' mind. This is the same with the most popular actors we watch on televisions all the time. We copy how they walk and talk because we want to be like them. They have a great influence, which is also our goal when it comes to video marketing. The next advantage is that video marketing is free to use. All these video marketing hosting stations like YouTube and Vimeo are used by marketers absolutely free. Next, video traffic converts more than twice or thrice compared to any other leads out there. Your presence in the videos create a great impact to your audience, which also creates a bond or trust in a scientific manner. Another advantage is that it can give unlimited targeted leads if done the right way. But most people do it the wrong way. A great example is a video I made 2 years ago which still gets traffic until now because it was done the right way. You call that a true residual traffic. Videos instantly increase your search engine rankings, therefore is a goldmine for SEO. Google, Bing, and Yahoo are examples of SEOs which rank videos higher than other contents. Next advantage, instant increase of conversions. A recent study demonstrated that 57% of online consumers are more likely to buy a product after watching its video demonstration and testimonial. The consumers feel that these products are legit if there are videos proving how good these products are. Next, videos are easily accessible now. With the growing use of tablets and smartphones, videos can be watched anytime and anywhere. You now have the capacity to share and disseminate your videos easily with just some clicks. And the best part is, video marketing is growing fast, so it's going to be more available to all. Video adds emotional value. With videos, you can attach a face to a concept, thus increasing trust and conversions. As we know, videos are the only medium which can show emotions together with your content. Even if you are really good at copywriting, there is still a limitation when it comes to the emotions you want to materialize. But the problem here is, what if you are camera shy? How do you overcome that? When I first tried it, I made a lot of notes and ended up recording myself several hundred times. Then I realized that this is one of the simplest ways of marketing. Why? Number one, a big percentage of people who will watch your video have never done a video themselves before, so they are looking at you as an expert. Reason number two, a camera is just a camera, so why worry, right? It won't do anything to you, and it won't judge you, so just be confident when recording. And reason number three, you don't need to be so techie here. You don't need to buy an expensive camera because you can just use your smartphone or even just the camera on your laptop. As simple as that. Or if you really don't like to show your face to the camera, you can just do a screen recording like what we are doing. Record the screen of your computer. You just record your voice and read some PowerPoint, and that can gradually boost your confidence in video recording. Always remember that the expert marketers you see out there were once a newbie too. You just need some practice, and soon it will be second nature to you. I hope this helps. See you in the next video. Let's move on to annotations. This helps you navigate your visitors in between videos and catch their attention immediately so they can subscribe. And most importantly, this helps capture leads. To create annotations, I'll give you a quick demo. First, go to Video Manager and select a video, then click Edit. After that, click on Annotations. The video will show up and you can see some options on the right side of the video. You can either select Add Annotation, or if you've already done something before, click on Edit Existing Annotation. In our case, let's select Add Annotation. Once you've done that, you'll see different options like Speech Bubble, Note, Title, Spotlight, and Label. Let's choose Speech Bubble for this demo. And let's type "click here to grab your free report." You can customize the font, size, and you can position it on the screen. You should also put the start and end time. Another thing is you can link this video to another video or website. In my case, I'll just choose the associated website link so I can grab a list. Just type the website on the box, and let's click on the preview link to check whether it really goes to the website you just linked. Now, you may be asking, how do I associate my channel to my website? It's very simple. Just click Channel and then Advanced Buttons on your page. Then, go to Associated Websites. Type your website in the box provided, then click Add. This is for Google and YouTube to verify that the website you indicate there is actually yours. Then, click on Verify. They will then show you the recommended and alternate methods to proceed with the verification process. Just choose one and you are good to go. In this video, we are going to do something special. We're going to learn one of the newest features inside YouTube, which can help you to instantly convert your videos into a lead capturing magnet. Lead capturing magnet means you'll be able to put in leads from anywhere inside your video. You'll be able to build your list and make more sales through this process. To do so, let's go to my YouTube channel and click on Video Manager. Select a video and click on Edit. Once you are there, you'll see the new feature called Cards. I don't know whether you guys used annotations before or not, but the problem is that they were somewhat unappealing. and they don't work on mobile devices. That's why YouTube launched this new feature called Lead Cards. I call it Lead Magnet. Let's go ahead and see how to install a lead card into your YouTube videos to convert them into lead-sucking magnets. First of all, we have to have our associated website ready, which we have discussed in one of the previous modules. If you are unsure of this step, please do watch that video once again. Now, to have the website link to the YouTube account, you have to click on Add Card. Here, you have options like associated website, fundraising, merchandising, video or playlist or channel. The coolest feature is to use the associated website where you are going to feature your website through your video. You can put your blog site, website, or your capture page. Basically, you put the site where you want your visitors to go once they clicked on the link. I'll be using one of my capture pages for this. For the call to action, I will put "click here to continue." For my teaser text, I will say "click here." Then you need to upload an image which can get the attention of people to navigate through that particular lead card. I'll click on Upload Image. I've already prepared an image for this, so I'll just get it from my files. Lastly, click Create Card. Once you have done that, you'll see this timeline, and you can put your lead card according to the time where you want it to pop up inside your video. I'll put 9 seconds here. And let's just see how it looks. When you play the video, the lead card pops up at the time we choose. If someone clicks it, the image of the lead card appears. And when we click the image, we're going to be taken to the associated website we input. So imagine in one video, you can have as many lead cards as you want. You can use it to capture leads through your different lead capture pages. To get enhanced results, you can do split testing where we use different capture pages to see which one is converting more. Another tip is that we must always have enough time space between two lead cards because the visitors might get confused. Also, you can use these lead cards to send your visitors to your blog if you are into writing blogs. So this is a great way to send traffic anywhere you want. I hope you get the idea here. With this simple, sneaky technique, you can convert your entire video into a lead-sucking machine. Thank you, and see you in our last video. In the previous video, we have discussed the first stage process of optimizing and ranking any video, and that is Keyword Planner. In this video, we're going to talk about the second one, which is creating native content. The more native content you have, the more authentic your video is, and the higher ranking you will have. As a newbie in video marketing, you cannot have fresh content all the time. That's totally fine, but always find a way to put something original. Also, never copy a lot of videos from one source or one YouTube channel. You could always derive content from 5 or more different sources and mix them up with your own touch. You have to be careful because a lot of YouTube channels have been shut down because of copyright and duplicate content violation. For example, you type "make money online." You'll see 200 videos which gives the same information again and again. Guess what? YouTube hates that. Why? Because YouTube is predominantly a search engine. The difference between Google and YouTube is that people go to Google to search for information, while they go to YouTube mostly for entertainment or to find solutions to their problem. So YouTube wants content which either entertains or solves problems. Once again, try to have as much native content as possible for your videos. I hope this has helped. See you in the next video.